Hello, hello! Welcome back to Hobbies with Jose, everyone. Today we've got part 4 and the finale of our customization of Siege Megatron. Let's get this done, shall we? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's great to have you back. And although it does feel like we just started this project, today we are going to complete them. Now what we're going to do first is some panel lining. And for that, I'll be using Tamiya's Flat Black XF1. I'm going to heavily water this down using Tamiya's acrylic thinner. So, let's get started. Alright, next up we're going to add a bit of shading and light weathering onto our figure, and I'm going to use a combination of two methods. One is going to be to use these soft pastels, and I'm going to shave off a little bit using my X-Acto knife and apply it with a wide brush. And for the other method, I'll be using Tamiya's Weathering Master. And for the last bit of painting, we're going to do a bit of dry brushing using our enamel silver and a wide brush. And lastly, for our final step, let's go ahead and make this Decepticon official. Yeah, I still can't believe how quickly I finished this custom. But again, the lack of color variation did help speed up the process. Not a lot of different colors to paint in. Not a lot of modifications too. Making the backpack removable wasn't as tricky as I thought it was going to be, and I do like the look of having the front of the tank turret on his back too. And I was afraid that the big hollow back was going to be more visible, but you can hardly really tell. And thankfully his feet are no longer a floppy mess. They're pretty solid now. And him no longer having the backpack also solves the issue of him being back heavy, so that's been resolved too. But let me know what you thought of this custom down in the comments below. Would you have maybe done something different to yours, different modifications? I'm curious to know. But I do hope that you enjoyed this relatively quick build. Hopefully the others will be as quick, but somehow I doubt that. And as for what's coming up next, I don't know, but we are going to stick to the Transformers customization train for the foreseeable future. There's certainly no lack of options to choose from. Jose, I'm you from the future. I've got your next project right here, bud. Thank you, future me. I do appreciate it. Hey, how far in the future are you from? Oh, years. But why even put a year on it? So is Transformers Rise of the Beast any good? Yeah, we don't really talk about that movie anymore. But you're gonna love Back to the Future Part 4. Okay. Wait, what?